We got a code 6 sugar crash. I'm headed to the scene. You know, sugar cravings, they start small. You know, one thing after another. All of a sudden, you're 20 pounds heavier. You don't have as much confidence. Your self-worth is through the floor. So at CBI, they actually hired me to start solving these crime scenes. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to a crime scene, and I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. Because when sugar enters my city, the city of San Diego, the SBI fights back. Let's do this. Suspects down. I got a possible sugar crash at 325. I'm gonna need some potential backup. We got the blue, the pink, and the yellow. Gah! Another one! All right, Fit Lifer, Drew Canoli. At the end of this video, I'm gonna be giving away a $400 J Cordish Power Grind Juicer to one lucky winner who has left a comment below the blog. That's how we play the game every week. So leave a comment after you watch this video for another chance to win. In this video, I'm talking about something that's really exciting to me. See, I don't know if I've shared this with you, but I used to have a sugar addiction. I was addicted to candy bars. I love Butterfingers, like Almond Joy, all of these things that I knew weren't good for me. And every single time I looked in the mirror, I wanted to be transformed. I wanted to be something else. And I used to tell all my friends, my family, that I was on this diet program. You wait, you see, only 2 months later to fail and fall short once again. What happened was my confidence plummeted, my self-worth was at an all-time low, and then finally, I discovered some of these truths that I'm gonna share with you today. So I was looking at NPR the other day. They literally researched 15,000 studies on sugar and the effects, and it's very apparent that sugar leads to obesity. Who would have thought, right? Common sense. When you eat sugar and things that spike your insulin up all day long, you're in body fat storing mode. So you're not gonna be able to bust through and get the body that you want if your blood sugar's up all the time. So what we do is we like to emphasize on eating things that doesn't have a lot of sugar in it, that will help you break through those sugar cravings. How much easier can it get? Filtered water. I recommend drinking water that doesn't have fluoride in it, radiation, all those other things. Amazing water for you, okay? Number 2, this is kind of a ninja technique. Glutamine can actually help you deal with sugar cravings. All right, so we have cacao, which is the antioxidant side of the cocoa plant, and then we have dark chocolate. When you eat sugar, your body is actually depleted from magnesium. Did you know magnesium is responsible for 300 biochemical transactions in your body every single day? You need magnesium. All right, so if you're ever craving sugar, one of the easiest, simple techniques that you can use is actually eat some pistachios. Now, this is loaded with good fat and help you break free from that. Almonds actually work really well. Also, limes and mint, we're gonna add to the juice recipe in a second, which will help you bust through those sugar cravings as well. So sit tight, Fit Lifer. Let's get it going with this juice recipe. I'm excited about this. There we go. All right, so who won the juicer this week? Wait for it, here we go. Kathy Myers. Congratulations, Kathy. Kathy writes in, she says, I had osteoarthritis and borderline RA. I was 30 years old and headed for a wheelchair. I started juicing everything from the farmer's market. It took a while, but I healed myself. I dissolved the calcium deposits. I became pain-free and still have no arthritis at 84 years old. Kathy, that's absolutely amazing. Congratulations. Give it up for her. We love you. The juicer's going out to you. All right, Fit Lifer, if you're still confused, you know, we've laid out some food to eat. We made a juice recipe for you. If you want a 14-day step-by-step program that's gonna show you exactly what to do to a T, supplement protocol, what to eat, what to juice, every single thing that you need to do, how to work out to be successful with this program and finally break free from those toxic taste buds that are holding you back, so that you can have the confidence, the sex appeal, and everything that you're looking for, then I encourage you to download the Beta Breakthrough below. Just click the banner. It says Get Sexy with Drew. You can get it right there and join our community. So if you love the information in this video, make sure you join the juice party below. Last week we had 700 comments of people sharing their personal experiences, people meeting each other, giving themselves helpful tips, tools, and tactics that they can implement. And that's where it really starts, you guys. So share your information below this video. Let people know what you're doing. This is amazing. Drew Canoli, remember, we're in this together. I'll see you next week.